Hi, and welcome to Zarimon. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to explain everything about Artificial Hymen Kit. First of all, I should start with saying that Zarimon is the official brand of Artificial Hymen, and it's produced in the UK. If you have lost your virginity for any reason, such as exercising or due to sexual activities, there is a chance to renew your virginity using Zarimon's Artificial Hymen Kit. Now I'm going to open the kit for you, so I can show you what's inside and how to use it. Let's see what's included in the Artificial Hymen Kit. In the package, you have 2 artificial hymen pills, 1 sanitizing wipe, 1 tightening pill, 1 pair of gloves, and 1 temperature check. You also have an instruction booklet and the authenticity card. Artificial hymen pill. Here is the artificial hymen pill, designed to stimulate the loss of blood that occurs when losing your virginity. The pill will dissolve by itself with your body heat and vaginal moisture and create a membrane that acts like the hymen. We have included 2 pills in this package. One is an extra in case you want to test the pill before the actual day. The pill is to be placed in the vagina 1 hour before sexual intercourse. The pill must be used with the other items included in this package to ensure 100% accuracy. Tightening pill. We have also included a tightening pill. If you want your vagina to feel like it's your first time and make sure your partner does not have any doubt about your virginity, we have included a vagina tightening pill, which is our special tightening formula created by Zarimon to be used with the artificial hymen pill to ensure the best results. This pill is to be inserted into your vagina 1 hour before sexual intercourse. Temperature check device. Using the vagina temperature check device that comes in the package, you will make sure your temperature is in the normal range the day you want to use the pill. If your temperature is between 35 to 39 degrees Celsius, it's safe to use the artificial hymen pill. Special gloves for inserting the pill. Special gloves for inserting the pill. We have created a special pair of gloves to be used when inserting the pill into the vagina. Since this pill is heat sensitive, you must make sure to use these gloves when inserting the pill. Otherwise, the heat of your hand will affect the pill and you may not get the best results. Sanitizing wipe. This wipe is specially made to be used with the artificial hymen pill, to clean your intimate area and sanitize it for safe insertion of the pill. Authenticity card. To ensure you have received the original Zarimon's Artificial Hymen Kit, we have included an authentication number on this card, which allows you to check the authenticity of the product by visiting www.zarimon.com, contacting customer support, or checking it directly on the website. Instruction booklet. An instructions booklet is included in this package to guide you on how to use this product. It is recommended that you read it completely. Discreet packaging. We also provide discreet packaging if you request while placing an order. This product will be delivered without any label, which means we will ship it to you without our brand name or any mention about the product inside. This discreet kind of packaging is for people who are worried about their family or friends opening the package. However, the product authenticity number will be emailed directly to you, so you can make sure you have received the original product. Let's open all items. So now I'm going to open all items to show you what's inside. How to use. Now I'm going to show you how to use this kit. Here is the vagina temperature check device that comes in the package. It will make sure your temperature is in the normal range the day you want to use the pill. If your temperature is between 35 to 39 degrees Celsius, it's safe to use the artificial hymen pill. I will now wear the gloves, which are included in the package. Use the vagina sanitizing wipe to clean your intimate area and sanitize it for safe insertion of the pill. Then insert the vagina tightening pill 1 hour before sexual intercourse. Finally, insert the artificial hymen pill 1 hour before sexual intercourse. The pill will dissolve by itself with your body heat and vaginal moisture and create a membrane that acts like the hymen. Now let's wait and see the results. You should wait for at least 30 minutes. I'll insert my finger inside to see the results. Since this artificial hymen kit was introduced, it has helped thousands of girls around the world recover their virginity and confidence. Zarimon is the official brand of artificial hymen kit produced in the UK, and it is highly rated and recommended by people who purchased it on britishpharmacy.co.uk. Thanks for watching.
We decided to try Zarimon Artificial Hymen just to spice up our sexual life, and we thought this experience might bring us closer to each other. I believe it offered a truly real and unique feeling. What do you think?
I was surprised at how real the whole experience was. It felt exactly like our first night together, which was years ago. Zarimon Artificial Hymen Pill definitely delivered the experience that they promised.
I was practicing martial arts since I was a kid, and this caused breaking my hymen. Thanks to Zarimon Artificial Hymen, I managed to gain my virginity back. Martial arts was my way of living, and I was training almost every day. Due to an increased level of effort, my hymen broke when I was a teenager. Suddenly, I came across Zarimon's Artificial Hymen Kit. They were basically promising everything that I was looking for. I read other people's reviews on britishpharmacy.co.uk website, and I realized it might be the best solution for me. It really worked, so I would recommend it to help others.
Zarimon's Artificial Hymen offered me an easy and much cheaper alternative to surgery, providing the same results. I lost my virginity when I was a teenager, thinking that I found the love of my life. However, I soon realized what a big mistake I made. 3 years ago, I got engaged to my actual husband, and I was all the time scared about the moment when we will make love and he will discover that I'm not a virgin. Zarimon's Artificial Hymen kind of saved my relationship. I used it before a wedding. Everything worked fine exactly as described, and I couldn't believe how real the feeling was.
I used Zarimon Artificial Hymen about a year ago, and everything worked fine. I just wanted to make this video to thank Zarimon for saving my relationship, and I hope my review will help other girls who are looking for the same solution.
This product does work. I had no negative side effects. Other online medical websites offered only expensive surgery. Then this product came up from Zarimon, and I tried it because it looked like good quality and made in the UK, so I guess it should be made with high standards. It worked perfectly fine for me. I hope my review can help others make a decision, since there are not many people who are willing to say something about this kind of sensitive topic. I thought I should say something to help others.
I used this artificial hymen kit from Zarimon after I got engaged with my fiance. I followed the instructions and everything that came in the package, and the result was okay. My fiance thought I was really a virgin. I love him so much and thought if I act as a virgin, it will give him more confidence about me and our relationship. Anyway, I thought I should let others know here. It may help your relationship too.